My dear friend, today again we are going to talk about adjective. In the previous videos, we have discussed in detail about adjective and we have seen different degrees of adjective. For example, in detail in the previous video I have given you different examples in positive degree, different use of positive degree, and now I am going to talk about comparative degree. When we see that good, better, based, so good, better, based, better is comparative degree. Usually these comparative degree words end with either er or or. Tall, taller, tallest. So tall is positive, taller is comparative, and tallest is superlative. So in the previous video we have seen the use of positive, but here we are going to see about the use of comparative degree. For example, you see the first example, Ram is taller than Shyam. So here there is comparison between Ram and Shyam, that Ram is taller than Shyam. Shyam is not so tall as Ram, Ram is taller than Shyam. If I take other example of this house, I can say that this house is bigger than that house. This chair is smaller than that chair. So in this way I can compare. Second example, that this comparative degree is used for progressive change, either increasing or decreasing. As one example here is given, the weather is getting hotter and hotter. The weather is getting hotter and hotter. It means there is a slow change and weather is becoming hotter and hotter. For example, it is evening 6:30, between near about 6:45. So here it is getting darker and darker. So this is a slow change I am using, so it is getting darker and darker. I can say that this student is becoming more and more confident. So in this way we just use this comparative degree for progressive change also. Third example, you can see here cause and effect. The more you study, the better you score. The more you study, the better you score. The more you work hard, the better you get the result. We just compare this. The faster you run, the quicker you reach the goal. So in this way we talk about cause and effect. We use, this is also one of the use of comparative degree. The next one is number 4. He is more honest than clever. This is called preference. This is also a kind of comparison, but this is preference is being given. He is more honest than clever. It means his cleverness is not so effective as his honesty. So he is more honest than clever. For example, if I say that he is more kind than strict, it means there are two qualities in him, kindness as well as strictness. So we can say that he is more kind than strict. So this is the use of preference. And now the next example, number 5, superlative. Sometimes we use comparative degree adjective, but actually we try to make it, we use it just like superlative. We make that super. For example, here Ram is taller than, suppose in the class there are many boys, so I can say that Ram is the tallest boy of the class. So if I speak Ram is the tallest boy of the class, so this is direct use of superlative. But if I say that Ram is taller than any other boy of this class, so this is, I am using comparative degree, but I am using it in the sense of superlative. So the same example is given, Ram is taller than any other boy in the class. She is better than most students. So here there are many students in the class, and if I say that she is better than most students of the class, so this is we are just trying to exaggerate the quality, and this is one of the use of this comparative degree, that she is better than most of the students. Of course, not all the students, but most of the students. The last one is, none is better than her. The same thing, there are many students. If I say no one is better than her, just like if I say that she is the best or she is better than any other student of the class, but this is another style of speaking, that none is better than her. So these are the example in which we make it just like super sense we give. So these were different uses of comparative degree, and next day we will talk about those comparative degree in which there are some adjectives which are in comparative degree, but they don't have positive and superlative. So we will talk about it in the next video. I'm sure that if you read it, you may find it easy.